circle line on that. So we're going to see, giving it a suit there. So basically what we're going to see today is GWR, Heathrow Express and London Underground. It's going to sit on the floor. Nah. Daily. This is the train to Plymouth. GWR, trip to Plymouth. I'm going to have to shout over this deafening scream. Every train. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. Definitely. Why? I'm going to do that with it. This is the Heathrow Express from Heathrow Terminal 5. Railway service to Swansea. Part of the platform is broken. This is right here as well, it's horrid. Absolutely horrid. This is the GWR Swansea. Oh my gosh, that was right next to us as well. Horrid. Absolutely horrid. There goes the London Underground. Here's the circle line here. Now let's do some circles. Coming out here is the GWR. Where's this going to? Newbury, I think? GWR to Newbury, not Highbury, Newbury. We are not amused. Here comes the Great Western Railway from Paddington. Great Western Railway from Paddington. Yeah, we ain't saying anything long, are we? What? Here goes the London Underground. And with some purple line. Oh yeah, that's perfect. National Rail. Two to me! Yeah, but it didn't. I forgot. Oh no! Hell no, bro! Hell no! I'm deaf. Wait, I'm actually gonna be deaf, bro. I'm so gone. I'm so deaf now. I'm so gonna be deaf. Next stop, London Marine Bar.